Did you know that the most famous assassination in history actually created the exact opposite of what the killer wanted? Marcus Brutus thought he was saving Rome when he helped murder Julius Caesar, but he accidentally destroyed it forever. On March 15, 44 BCE, 23 Roman senators surrounded Caesar at the base of Pompey's statue. They stabbed him 23 times. When Caesar saw his beloved Brutus among the killers, he whispered the heartbreaking words, "Et tu, Brute." At first, Brutus won over the Roman people with his speech about freedom, but then Mark Antony gave his legendary funeral speech that turned the crowd into an angry mob. The conspirators had to run for their lives. Instead of saving the Republic, Brutus had triggered 13 years of brutal civil wars that tore Rome apart. For 2 desperate years, he fled across the Mediterranean, trying to raise armies and fix his terrible mistake. Finally, at the Battle of Philippi, facing certain defeat, Brutus threw himself onto his own sword. He died knowing his noble intentions had created the very tyranny he tried to prevent.